In this video, let's see how to use Google Sheets to create WhatsApp click-to-chat links with personalized messages. Let's say you have a long list of names that you want to message on WhatsApp with the same message. Let's copy the first name and phone number as an example. In Google Sheet, fill the name and phone number. It is important to include the country code in the phone number. Once done, the WhatsApp click-to-chat link will be generated. Adding wa.me with the phone number joins it as a WhatsApp link. Clicking on the WhatsApp click-to-chat link automatically opens the chat with that phone number. Let's see how to handle special cases if the phone number includes dashes, brackets, and pluses, or it is missing a country code. We can add this to the formula to remove any dashes, brackets, and pluses. Join wa.me and the phone number to create the WhatsApp link. Enter the country code. Use the formula to join the country code and the phone number. Create the WhatsApp link. Now let us see how to pre-fill a WhatsApp link with a greeting message. Type in your greeting. Add a space after the word. Create the pre-filled greeting message by joining the name and greeting in a formula. To create the WhatsApp link, we join the WhatsApp link created earlier with the text string, encodeur, and greeting message to the formula. Let's try the link. It will open a chat with that number and the pre-filled greeting message. Let's see what if you need to add unique codes or links into your personalized message. Type in your personalized message. For the unique code or link, use XX so the formula can recognize the unique code. Add a space before your message. Insert your code or link. To generate the link, we add substitute to the formula to replace XX with the unique code or link. And joining the WhatsApp link created earlier with the text string and encodeur. Now let's try the link. It will open a WhatsApp chat with the personalized message and unique code that you can send out. Now let's quickly generate another personalized message with a new unique code. This template is available as a link in the description. If you have a long list of names, numbers, and codes, you can copy and paste all the formulas into every row to generate bulk WhatsApp links.